Hi, I'm Michelle from India Unbox, and here I have with me someone.
Hi, my name is Deepti and I am the owner and co-founder of Brand Sava, and we do exclusive chicken curry pieces and western silhouettes.
Okay, that's wonderful. And where is your manufacturing based on?
So we have a manufacturing base in Lucknow, and this is our newest collection that we have launched recently,
Okay,
and we are so much looking forward from UPITS to export to several countries.
wow, great. So tell me about your collection. What is the material used and what is the embroidery? Can you tell me more about it?
Okay, so since long we have seen that chicken curry was done on ethnic fabrics, the saris, the suits that our mothers and grandmothers used to wear. But now we are making it more westernized so that other countries could wear our art. And we are making the finest embroidery that you can see. The stitches that you can see are very fine, very detailed, and these are done exclusively by some women who are like 70, 80 years old, and their eyes strain and pain, while working on this. But we are extremely grateful for these women artisans who are supporting us in this craft.
It's really beautiful. So what are the materials that you use right now?
So we are using all the pure cottons. You can see this is 100% cotton.
Sure.
Yeah. So also this shirt is you can wear it as a shrug. You can wear it as to offices.
The jacket.
Yeah, the jackets. Yeah, you can wear it in your offices. You can wear it as daily wear. You can wear it to resorts or a beach. Yeah, like that.
It's good that you can like style it as you want.
Versatile.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
For the youngsters,
Yes,
the,
yes.
the middle-aged, anybody
Yes,
can use
yes.
it, right?
Anybody can use it.
So tell me how you started this brand. What made you?
So earlier, because I am from Lucknow, I have been seeing chicken curry since childhood, and my mother is born and brought up in Lucknow. So chicken curry was something which is very close to my heart, and I love this embroidery. I love the fine detailing and all the time and hours which are preciously spent on this art. So now I thought, because we are an age of Gen Z, yes, we are an age of working women also. Yeah, so working women cannot wear traditional always. They want to look modern. They want to feel confident. So which is why I thought, this kind of collection, which is a fusion of something little bit of Indian and little bit modern and westernized. So we thought of launching this collection. So it can be a part of the working women.
Definitely, and I love it. It's really modern.
Thank you.
So, do you have clients internationally?
Yes, we do exports to Dubai. We have done recently exports and it's going really well. And now we have met some clients from France and Europe, and we are really looking forward to it.
Is it a sustainable brand?
Yes, it is, because the cottons are 100% sustainable. As you can touch and have the look of the fabric. Yes, yeah. So we are doing handwork, because handwork can only be done on pure fabrics. You cannot do handwork on polyesters or synthetics. You cannot do that. Yeah.
And what is the minimum quantity if someone wants to order from abroad?
You can order from any quantity, from say from 50 pieces to like 1,000 pieces. We cater to any number of pieces, you can tell us. Yeah.
What does the range start from?
So range starts from anywhere from around say 1,500 to say goes up, whatever price range. Yeah.
If someone wants to order from you, how do they order?
So they can contact us on Instagram, WhatsApp, and also they can call me up anytime.
Sure. So you'll give us all the details, right?
Yes,
Do you
yes,
have
yes.
a website?
Not right now, but we are working on it. Okay, yeah, that's all in the pipeline. Also, we have few more products coming up, so we are really looking forward to it.
Definitely, and me too. And all the best to you.
Thank you.